Hey everyone, enjoy the show. Mantiques Network, how are you today? We got a nice, unique offering here, something everyone could relate to, regardless of your age or gender. This is a vintage Lifesavers retail display case for candy that you would have seen. So, candy was loaded up on the different shelving here. You would have probably found this in some type of candy store, drugstore, or wherever you might find the great Lifesavers product. If you're into vintage advertising or Lifesavers is your personal favorite, this be for you.
These are antiques. These are Mantiques. Antique, Mantique. These guys sell Mantiques. This is their store.
We're bringing stuff every day, in and out, in and out, in and out. We're shaking and baking.
These are their customers.
Give me the rundown on the GMC.
This lived in a bar in Ghent in Belgium.
Follow Jim and Jeff from 9 to 5 or after hours as they buy, sell, and restore the coolest stuff for the coolest collectors worldwide.